Why does your scanner show the P0002 engine code? What does it mean? P0002 is a diagnostic trouble code for fuel volume regulator A control circuit range or performance. It indicates that the engine control module is receiving an unexpected signal from the fuel pressure regulator. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty fuel volume regulator. Wiring or connector problems. Engine control module issues. Clogged fuel filter. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford, Nissan, Mercedes, Toyota, and Chevy. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.